Let's dive into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on must and should. These two words are powerful tools in English, and understanding their differences can really enhance your communication skills. First, let's talk about must. This modal verb is all about necessity and a strong obligation. When you say you must do something, you're indicating that there's no other option. For example, if you say you must wear a seatbelt while driving, you're emphasizing that it's not just a good idea. It's a requirement for safety. It's a rule, and ignoring it could lead to serious consequences. Now, let's look at should. This word is a bit softer. It expresses recommendations or suggestions rather than strict obligations. For instance, if you say, you should eat more vegetables, you're advising someone based on what's generally considered healthy. It's not a command, it's a nudge in the right direction. You're encouraging a positive choice, but the listener has the freedom to decide whether to follow that advice. Here's a key difference. Must often comes from an external authority or rule, while should is more about personal judgment or societal norms. Think about it this way. If your teacher says, you must submit your assignment by Friday, that's a clear deadline set by someone in authority. On the other hand, if a friend says, you should start studying earlier for exams, they're sharing their opinion based on their experience, but there's no hard and fast rule. Let's consider some more examples. If you're traveling abroad, you might say, you must have a valid passport to enter the country. This is a strict requirement. Conversely, if you're planning a trip, you might say, you should check the weather before you pack. This is a helpful suggestion, but not something that will get you into trouble if you ignore it. Another scenario, in a workplace setting, a manager might say, you must complete the safety training before starting your job. This is non-negotiable. In contrast, if a colleague advises, you should network with others in your industry, they're offering a suggestion that could benefit your career, but isn't mandatory. Understanding these nuances can really help you communicate more effectively. When you use must, you convey urgency and necessity. When you use should, you offer guidance and support. It's all about the strength of the obligation you want to express. In summary, remember, must is for things that are essential and non-negotiable, while should is for recommendations that can help guide decisions. By mastering these modal verbs, you'll not only improve your English, but also enhance your ability to express yourself clearly and effectively.